god, you guys, like, okay, I'm gonna be serious, and I can't even be serious, like, oh my god. I mean, as you can probably tell from the title of the video, it's like my birthday, and I mean, let's talk about this. Let's actually hash it out. You see, I'm usually somebody that does not really like, I'm not really like extra for birthdays, you know? Like if it's anybody else's birthday, I'm excited, you know? But like this birthday, I'm actually excited because 2020, I mean, you all know, you know, I mean, 2020 has shown all of us shit, and to just be alive on this birthday, oh my god, like literally, oh my gosh. So yes, it's my birthday, and obviously I decided to bake again because I don't know why I'm baking right now. I should be just chilling because I feel a little bit sick, but yeah, I'm going to be baking cupcakes because I feel like cupcakes is probably like easier to eat, you know, and I'm definitely not going to be wasting this one because I always waste sweets. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm going to be baking cupcakes today, and I'm just going to make it easier on myself by using this cake already mixture because I cannot deal. Okay, I am not made for stress in my entire life. Like I cannot stress. Me and stress is not good. It's not good for my skincare routine. You know I've said it before. Like stress is not good for my skincare routine. So I'm going to be using this cake mix, and it says at the back, it actually has like instructions here, but I'm going to make it a little differently because I want the real velvety situation going on. So oh my god, I don't know why I'm touching my face. I'm not supposed to be touching my face, but anyways, so it says to have this package mix, and then to have water, 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, 1 vegetable oil, a quarter cup of vegetable oil. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And for me, I have extra ingredients here, so I have 2 cups of water instead of 1. And the reason being is I was talking to one of my friends, and she said if you want your cake to be fluffy, the more water you add, the more fluffier your cake gets. So I'm going to add as much water as I think is possible. It's my cake, it's my birthday, I can break the rules, okay? And then I have food coloring. I'm sorry. And then I have food coloring here. We have different colors, but I'm going to be using mainly the red color. And then I have my cocoa powder. Oh my god, like it sounds exotic. Cocoa powder, okay? And I have this decorating tips thinking, but I don't have a piping bag. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for the piping situation later. And then I have, of course, the liners, and my 3 eggs are here. I already broke 1, but we're not going to tell anyone about that, you know, just between you and me. I broke 1 egg and it was a mess. Anyways, and I have my pan, my mixing bowl, this. I'm not going to be using my mixer because, like I said, I don't want a cake stress. Okay, so just come closer. I'm going to bring you guys closer so you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to add my quarter cup of oil. Like I said, it's my birthday. I'm going to just wing it because all these baking rules I can't. I'm sorry to all the bakers out there that may be so vexed by my lack of following the rules, but I really could not care less, so I'm just going to. So this is the cake mix. I've already beat the egg. I'm just going to pour it. Oh, it smells nice too. I'm going to pour this here, and then after, hey, no, nice time, no. So I'm adding, oh my god, I'm adding a tablespoon of my cocoa powder. No, 2 tablespoons. It does not seem too plenty enough. So just add 2 tablespoons and just sieve it. You see that? I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm just going to start mixing LiQWYD by LiQWYD. Alright? So I'm going in with my water now. Like them YouTubers. I'm going to go with my red food coloring. So I'm just gonna play with this. I hope this comes out good because y'all, it's my birthday. Ooh, okay. Just look at that. It looks red. Oh my god. It looks so like somebody's date. This is the next step in our baking, and I'm going to add my Okay, so one comment I have about this scene right here is that if you're new at this and you're baking cupcakes for the first time, don't fill the batter in the cups like to the brim. Like, don't fill it to the brim. Just make sure you put it halfway through or it's gonna overflow, okay? And obviously the batter was way too much than the 12 cupcakes that I had, so I had to improvise and put it in the bread pan. Okay, so I finished doing and making all of this mess. I'm going to pop them into the oven. Like, you can see how much mess it is. Like, look at this. So I'm going to pop them into the oven, and I will be right back. My cupcakes are done and they rose to the occasion. My cupcakes rose to the occasion, okay? They were like, yes, I am here, you called me and I'm here. This looks more like muffins to me. I don't know. If for efforts. So I will just literally let this sit and cool down before I try to salvage them. I'm thinking I'll just cut it in, like, you know, cut the top off and put my thingy, those squeezy thingies. Help me. Squeezy anyways, yeah, I'll be right back. So since my cupcakes are currently chilling and just living their best life, waiting to be piped and iced, I will be mixing my icing. They're still good. I'm just gonna pour it here and just remix. Oh, you see what I did there? Remix it, and add like a little, just a tiny little bit of what's it called? Milk, to, like, you know, just make it a little bit, just a little mushy. So I will be right back. Going to add just a tiny little bit of milk, and then yeah, I didn't add a lot of milk at all. So since I don't have piping bags, I'm going to be using this bag waste. I don't know which one I want to use, so I'm thinking maybe this one. It's like, you know, or this one. I don't know. So I'll just cut them like very tiny. Very tiny. Okay, so photography rule 101 is to always find the prettiest whatever it is you make, and that prettiest whatever it is you make is gonna be your star of the show. It's gonna be the first the focal point of the picture. So right now I'm looking for the prettiest cupcake, and I think the first one is it. And yeah, like, that cupcake is gonna be my subject for the rest of my picture. And yeah, let's just keep enjoying this, me just baking. Cut the top off because we really do not need it. Our cupcake is beautiful and bad and bold and beautiful without the ugly looking top. Okay, so we've cut everything. I mean, except for this two, of course. But I'm going to try this one. I'm going to try to add it to one of them. And we're going to go from there. So I think this is how they do it. So we try from here. Oh my god, why are you doing like that? Jesus Christ. Okay, this is what I look like. Oh my god. Number one. Okay, no pressure. Nope. Oh. Yo, I think that's all. That is all.
And this is my cupcakes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, you know, it looks pretty, but like some of it is like, oh my god, like as you can see, look at it. They just look sad and upset. Like, look at the one in the middle, like but yes, we found our pretty cupcake, guys. I think it's, yeah, this one that I'm pointing at, and definitely not this one. So that one cupcake is going to be my focal point and my star of the show, and the rest are just going to fade away in the background. And I'm going to pop this in the fridge overnight, and then I would take pictures tomorrow and give my cupcake to everybody that wants to eat. And it's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Yes. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and subscribe for more. Bye.
Using already. Oh shit. Jesus Christ. Damn. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I'm just a clumsy person. Like, I'm literally just, wow. Jesus, come on, girl. Like, anyways. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Like, it's spilled in the oil, and now it's everywhere. Like, oh.